Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin with essential prerequisites. Power cycle the console and ensure it's cool and on a stable surface. Once done, free space. Aim for at least 15% of the drive to prevent fragmentation and stuttering. Make sure all system and game updates are installed now so the console uses optimized code and firmware. While updates apply, sign into your account and note any background downloads. Pausing them for the next steps improves performance. These first actions set a clean baseline. Next, reorganize where games live. Move big titles to a fast external drive or internal SSD to reduce load times, external 7200 RPM or USB 3.0 SSDs work well. Then clear the cache by holding the power button for 10 seconds and reboot. This removes temporary files that slow processes. Make sure to disable background apps and automatic installs so resources aren't split while you're gaming. You'll see smoother frame pacing, and for final tuning, adjust video output and performance options. Switch off 4K upscale or lower refresh rates if you experience lag to reduce GPU load. Then optimize controllers and network. Wired Ethernet beats Wi-Fi for stability. If issues persist, backup saves and use a factory reset. Opt for reset and keep my games first, then full reset only if needed. And if you hit a wall, test another network or reach out to support. Troubleshooting network, power, and storage typically resolves stubborn problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.